Okay, everybody, I have got the same division word problems that you have and that you solved. Let's see if we solved them the same way. Well, it's 42 bones divided among 3 dogs. So if I have 42, how many groups of 3 can I make? I'm going to bring my dividend out of there because I'm going to be working in there. And I asked myself, how many groups of 3 can I make with 42? And I'm sure I can make 1 group of 3. That would use up 3 bones. And I keep track of it over here. Keep track of my dividend. Right, I have 39 bones left. I definitely can make 1 more group of 3. So that would take care of 3 bones. So they get more than 2 each. Take this away. I have 36. With 36, I definitely can do 1 more group of 3, right? That would use up 3 of them. You did not do it like that, I bet. I'm just kidding you. We all know that we can make more than 1 group of 3. And that would take me a really long time if I used really, really small numbers like that. I know with 42, I can make 10. I can make more than 10. So let's take 2, do it again. The way probably we really solved it. 42 divided by 3, 10. That's 30. I'd have how much left? I'd have 12 left. 4 more, 12, bam. Each of the dogs get 14 what? Bones. Now these are word problems, so remember, you have got to be able to label your numbers. That shows that you're keeping up with the problem and it'll help you get the correct answer because they can get confusing sometimes. So label your numbers. There's the total. There's the number. Is that the groups or numbers in a group? That's the groups. The dogs, each dog is a group kind of. And 14 is how many are in each group. Got it. I'm so curious how you solved it. You'll have to send me pictures if you did it differently. The next one is 64, wow, 64 cookies between 4 children. That's a lot of cookies. 64 cookies divided among 4, I'm going to say kids because it's a little shorter, but it's a label and I will know what that's referring to. All right, let's go. 64 divided by 4. What do you want to start with? We can definitely make 10. 10's a nice number to start with. 10 groups of 4 would be 40. How much do I have left? I've got 24. Ooh, 4 times what is 24? 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. So that would take up the rest of the dividend. We're done. How many cookies does each kid get? Wow. They are not going to be hungry for a really long, I hope they don't eat them all at once. Yikes. All right, the next one, 52 playing cards between 4 people. That sounds a little more reasonable, right? 52 cards divided among, was it 4 people? And if I want to draw a little stick figure, that's like a label too. I just have to know what that number represents. 52 divided by 4, I bet I already know what you're going to start with. 10. 52, take away 40, leaves me 12. 4 times 3 is 12. Cruising along. Each person will get 13 what? You need to be able to answer that, right? And if you ever get confused, go back and reread the problem because all the information is right there. 13 cards. Gotcha. The next one, now the numbers are getting a little bit bigger, so see if you can challenge yourself because it's the same procedure, just with a larger number. So now we're going to have 144 eggs divided among 144 eggs in boxes of 6. Okay, so 144 eggs divided into boxes of 6. Eggs usually come in 12, but these must be little half packs. So how many groups of 6 can I make if I have 144? Let me bring this down here so y'all can see. 6 times what? Well, 6 times 10, again, that'd be 60. But that would leave a lot. What about 6 times 20? 6 times 20 would be, let's check it out, 120. 6 times 20 groups. 2 times 6 is 12 with an extra 0. I got rid of 120, or I divided out 120 there. 24 left. 6 times 4 is 24. So they're going to have 24 boxes of 6. In this one, we've got the dividend, the whole amount we start with. Are the boxes the numbers in a group or the number of groups? In a group, right? They have 6 in each group, and they're going to have 24 boxes or groups of eggs, groups of 6 eggs. So perfect. All right, last one, 176 pencils divided into packs of 8. 176 divided by 8. All right, 8 times what? I can almost hear you. 8 times 2 is 16, so 8 times 20 would be 160. Let's start with that. We've got enough. 8 times 20 is 160. We have 16 left. 2 times 8 is 16. Done. So now I'm 22 what? I don't remember because I didn't label. So I'm going to have to look back here, figure out what it was. Pencils, packs of 8, and then they'll have 22 packs. Number in a group, total amount. Again, if you did it differently, if you were able to use bigger numbers right away or you used a lot of little numbers, let me know. I'm super interested in different ways that kids solve division problems. See you next time.